Hey there folks, it's Sean with Seattle Coffee Gear. Today we're going to be doing a crew review of the Philips 3300 LatteGo. Before we get started, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have lots of machine reviews, cool coffee education content, as well as other tips and tricks. Alright, let's get going. With the LatteGo series of machines, they're really slim and easy to fit in most spaces. I really like the updates on this one where it has that cleaner front finish on the brewing group, as well as the color buttons, making it easier to interact with the menu. One of the big features that I really enjoy in this machine, of course, is the LatteGo carafe. It's super easy to click apart and rinse out, making it ready to go for your next drink. The menu on the Philips LatteGo systems is also incredibly intuitive. Even users with limited experience understand what drink they're ordering and how they're changing their beverage. My favorite feature about this machine is the silent brew. This machine is 40% quieter than previous Philips models and is Quiet Mark certified, meaning we're not going to wake up anyone else at home when we brew our coffee in the morning. Alright, let's talk about some pros and cons. Pro number one, compared to other super autos, these machines are at a more affordable price point. Pro number two, from cleaning to daily use, these machines are approachable and intuitive. It's really easy to understand how to interact with them to get the best resulting coffee. Pro number three, I really enjoy the clean aesthetic of the update. From the color buttons to the brighter brew group, it really blends in with a good kitchen and just has a nice bright feel to it. My first con for this machine is that the espresso can be a little bit thin. It's still good and tasty, but lacks some of the richness that I try on other machines. The other con that I have with this machine is there's no way to order hot milk on its own. That means if you wanted to make a hot chocolate or anything else that requires milk, you sort of have to cheat your way around the system and order an espresso, but then cancel that and then order milk. It's a little annoying. So we've talked some pros and cons and some features, but who is this machine for? This machine is for somebody who is on the go, enjoys the clean aesthetic, and wants a machine that is simple and intuitive to use. That's enough information from me. Let's brew a latte and see how this machine works. That's everything on the 3300 LatteGo. In the description below this video, you'll find the link to our product page, as well as a sign up for our email newsletter. It's the best way to stay on board with all the sales we're running, tips and tricks, and coffee education content, as well as some cool machine reviews. As a thank you, we'll send you a discount code for 10% off of any one item. There are some exclusions, so be sure to reach out to our sales team if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Keep making coffee you love.